Welcome to the Art of Hating channel. Today we're at the Florida Half Century over in Lakeland. Two of the top teams in the top 20, I believe. Not sure their rankings. I think they're in the top 20. We're going to see the Dugout, the old Mellow team that's now the Dugout with Ed and Dan. And they're going to be playing the Lost Boys. The Lost Boys, pretty powerful team. I think they're from the West Coast. Put together. We'll be playing them 2 times this weekend, and this is the first game. And let's see what happens between the Dugout and the Lost Boys. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.
What do we got? 9, 5. Top of 3?
I was looking at the camera. My bad, dog. No, that's my fault. I looked back.
You're showing the pearly whites there.
Making sure
I tell you what, man, it's the thing we're not having a good looking contest. You may be able to get in it.
Oh, my goodness.
You a handsome looking guy. Look at that.
See that bald head?
Dude, you a young man. What are you, 50 years old?
I'm finna be 54, bro.
Oh, 54? Dude, you old enough to be my son.
27.
That's a perfect pitch for him to hit over there.
Our guy swung twice. His first at bat and missed, but close up. Oh, shit.
Well, he got a hole. John, you run track in high school, you said? Where? Oh, did. But you got a gait, dude. Were you fast? Huh? I can't hear you. Come on, Eddie. You need to write that out. Okay. Nice hit, Donnie. Oh, boy, he snuck that son of a bitch in there.
I thought for sure that ball was going to hit the screen. Bounce right over it. Hang on, Rich. Hang on, Rich.
Nice. Nice.
I got it.
Boy, he hit the shit out of him.
Easy, Pat. Easy.
Nice job, Biggin.
Go, Johnny. Hit it hard. Hit it hard, Johnny.
Do your job. Don't try to do it all, man. Do your job.
They're running you out there, ain't they? Move over. I'm like, goddamn, they can keep you got.
Gas on gas.
Damn.
Nice job. Nice. Hey, Eric. Nice. That's a bullet. Mobley's a good hitter, they tell me. Big old boy. I don't know a lot of these young guys. Yeah, that's what I say. Yeah, he's a pretty good hitter.
I'm telling you to stay here. I'll let you know, bro. Here we go.
Oh, it's gone. That's a bomb, dude. That's gone. Forget that. Yeah, I remembered your face. I can't remember your name.
Let's go, Kenny.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Double jump two! Huh? No, I'm about left. You can count them out. That's why you run back here.
So what are you looking at now?
16-12.
16-12 top of?
4.
I thought it was later than that. 16, so mellow, dugout's up?
Yeah, Dello, yeah. Mellow.
Yeah, okay. Top of 4. Oh, look at that. Did it well? He's got a lot of those.
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm trying to leave, but it's too far to walk. Trying to catch a cab.
Good. Perfect.
What's the official name of this team we're playing? Dugout's playing.
Look like they're Lost Boys.
Lost Boys.
Yeah, yes.
It's an interesting name.
That's right.
Are you with the Lost Boys? Maybe they're really lost, you think? Oh.
Short! What?
Like that guy. Guy hit that one good. Oh. He hit that too square. Oh, that is so gone. That is so gone. Dude, I've seen a lot of home runs here, but that was one of the longest ones. Holy shit.
I want to say they're both off that game.
That was a long way.
I'll let you know, bro.
Yeah. So yeah.
And it ain't me either. That's just me holding the clipboard for you.
That was a hard pitch to hit right there. He needs another one. Oh, he's out. A good pitch, Eddie. Good pitch. Damn, they launched a couple there.
16 all, 16 all.
16 all, top of the
Top five.
top of 5.
Guys, I got 6.
We got 16 to all, just like the last game, all tied up towards the end, getting like these NBA basketball games. Game come right down to the wire. See what happens, folks. Damn, Donnie.
Almost 12 inches below the damn plate.
You got a new camper? Huh? You got a new camper?
And this guy hits it, he hits it. He's got to be about 250 there, at least, being conservative.
Quantum, right?
Got a lot of muscle in that swing.
Let me tell you that right now, they're really expensive guys.
Yeah, I know. They are.
They're on demand, but they're expensive.
Wrong guy hit it too. Most of those guys that are shortstop are special athletes.
Yeah.
And that guy is certainly one. I've seen a lot, you know.
Late, double A, triple A, minor.
Oh. That's a nice catch. Jeez. He plays out in the grass for the top team. Throws like he's in the infield.
What are we talking about? In a hole.
Ridiculous.
Yeah. Yeah, that gets smart kid right there.
Yeah.
Know what you talking about?
It's always aim at the umpire.
Yeah.
Oh, gone. Maybe in here. No, it's gone. Oh, fuck.
He brought it back. He's a big guy.
Bring it in. Oh, is he going to catch it? No. That was the nail in the coffin there. I don't think it's going to go any more innings, right? No, I guess it's not over.
We're the 5th.
Oh, let's put it that way. Oh, it's gone. That's gone. What did he go to? It looked like
Mike and all.
That's a nice play. That was really a nice play.
In the hole and got that.
So what we got?
Got 21-17.
21-17.
21-17, top 6.
The Lost Boys.
Yes, sir.
Did they have to find themselves to win the game? Well, he's saying it helps you with the bat going through. It doesn't drop. You know, the way he explained it to me, I believe that, but I don't know if it's for real. Oh no, I don't think he got enough of it.
Clayton Holmes.
Really?
Clayton Holmes.
Okay.
No.
Played for the Dallas Cowboys. Whatever. I don't think
That's gone. That's gone.
He just when he ran the bases, it was the same level all the way around, right? It's just like Putty, like he got into drugs and all things, lost all his money, pawning his freaking rings off. You know, it's like they just don't know what to do with that money when they get there.
No, you know, here's the thing. The NFL coach started to stick with new things. 40.
Good, could be mandatory. More mandatory.
And then what happens is some person works their way into their confidence and robs them.
No. You get robbed that way, or get robbed while you're playing football, not at home.
Oh,
Ripping off their houses.
yeah. Live and die there.
21-18. You sure about that?
21-18. That's
three.
only three. What did I say?
5 or 6. And I said 4, so I wasn't
Hey,
right either.
government work, man. Close enough for government work.
You entitled government jobs.
I think it's cool.
Well, they do. They get a job and think it's their job for life, and
Well,
they're
look,
just entitled to it.
you know-
Nobody touches me.
But then if you're going to do it with them, do it with all the representatives.
Oh, you talking about the congressman and stuff? Yeah, what
We
they
have
should
to vote them.
there should be.
That's the only. I don't understand
Yeah,
why
hey, they don't know where 1.9 billion dollars is.
Oh, 1.9 trillion or what?
Well, is it trillion now?
Trillion. Oh yeah, they know more than that.
You know, and people are worrying about Elon Musk and Trump doing shit they shouldn't. What about the 1.9 missing? Nobody's worried about that.
Well, it went to a good.
Well, you know what these guys, some of my friends that are, look at that. That's out of this world.
If you want to stop property tax. That's right. You don't make me.
Can do on my land. If I want to put a barn out there and the house isn't there yet, don't tell me I can't unless I put a house out there first. That's what they do.
Then charge you for it. Oh,
That's right. You spend all this money to improve your property, and then you got to pay more for it.
I think all my Social Security pays for my property taxes.
Can't you? Isn't there something you could?
Did it pay what?
You pay less.
I don't know anything about that. I got an accountant. I don't know anything about that. Oh man, that is launch. That guy Nance, he can hit it. Dude,
Don't hit the kid.
dude. You know, I look at that. I said, you know,
Yeah, she had to run the ball now.
when I was 54, I'm being honest now. I used to launch them like that.
Oh man.
I did. I got. You can look at my pro. I lead it off with. You ever watch my YouTube channel?
I just found out if Tom was telling me about it.
Yeah, there's a couple of videos because I you know, you have an opening, and we played the first state championship ever here, and it was televised.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I hit a home run out there, and I got it, and I play it as my leading. Because as old as I am, nobody knows who I am. They think this is an old guy, but I'm an old guy. I used to be able to play.
Yeah, that's what Todd told me. Todd said, you would have hardly got the help they ever won.
Good piece of hitting you just did.
Some need you to go out there and fill that hole in at the end of this game.
Why don't they do that, you wonder?
There's too much like right. Too much like right.
That's a hell of a job right there, son. That's a hell of a job, son, catching that ball. Now batting hippie. I like to be hitting the announcer on the box saying, now batting hippie. I wonder if that's his real name. Oh, hippie. Oh.
Him one hit it out of the seat. He was like,
No, he ain't going for it. He was just going for a base hit. They need more activity from you, buddy. Oh, nice swing.
Choked up.
Okay, this is it, boys. This is it. Open inning. We're up. We're trailing about 5, I think. What score did Coach?
25-18.
25-18.
Open inning.
I'm not a mathematician,
25-18.
but that's down 7, right? See how good I am? Does a nice job going back, that guy.
Stay there.
See, let me get your new shirt, man. Look at this. Look close. Yeah, so that's the front. What's the back look like? Look at that. Okay, cool. See you get hit, man. Ooh. See? Okay. Nice swing. Nice swing. Ace hit, boys. Ace hit. That launched one last time. I don't know. You got another one in him? Yeah, down 3. Nice hit, slammer. Oh, nice swing. Shot in her left. Feel it good. 1 down, 2 in. I could bring it to a 2-run game.
Good eyes. Hey, nice.
Oh, it's gone. That's gone. Still gone. Look at that. Wow. I think they're 25. We got 25 to 24 with 1 out in the top of the last inning. And Big Elmer is up. So let's see what happens. Hold up. Oh, geez. He's a little behind him, too.
Get there. Go 2. Easy right there, Elmer.
Big hit here with Tim up. Big hit with Tim up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hey, there we go.
Wow.
Big hit. That's it. That is hit. That is what you needed. Unbelievable. Big time. No home run. Didn't need no home run. Did what he had to do. That puts us one up, dude. We're still in the hunt.
Yeah, run out second.
2 outs, man. Look at all the runs you get now. It'll be big. It's all hit. Wow. What a dogfight. Huh?
26-25.
26-25.
26-25.
What do you think the odds of you surviving a 1-run with this powerhouse? Your good Lord, the softball God's got to be in your,
Yes,
in
exactly
your corner
right.
on this
you
one.
know about that.
Yeah. That guy, there's 1 out.
Out.
1 out. Lost Boys chasing 1. Bottom of the last inning. Ooh.
Nice pitch, Eddie.
Not going to go out. I don't know if he's going to get it. He did. It's 2 outs. Anything's possible. Yeah, this wouldn't be a game to. Oh, this guy's up. This guy hit 2 bombs the last 2 times up, and he smoked it, dude. He did another one. It may not go if they can get to it. They fought it. Unbelievable. Yeah, they won it. They won it with 1. Good game, boys. You did it, huh? Look at that.
Looking and good, I would say. You want to
What do you do? 2 one-run ball games, guys, huh? Are you kidding me? Woo. Nice job, guys. Lost boys. I hope you find yourself sometime soon.
I know that, right?
Huh?
We're in a
Bunch of good-looking guys. I don't know about you.
You going to say the best? Grace here?
Don't get wise to me, man. Well, the Lost Boys are the real deal. Yes, sir, man. It was a 1-run game. So good job by the Lost Boys and great job by the Dugout guys. A lot of runs, doing a great job. It's all about having fun. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, you should. You'll miss out a lot of good stuff. Thanks.